the topic arithmetic progression. Here I am going to write some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then next 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. The others 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Here, if we separate these numbers using commas, it is known as sequence of numbers. If we separate these numbers using commas, it is known as sequence of numbers. Or next one is, if we separate these numbers using plus or minus sign, it is known as series of numbers. First one is, when you separate the numbers using commas, it is known as sequence of numbers, and if you separate the numbers using plus or minus sign, it is known as series of numbers. Now, a sequence is said to be an arithmetic progression if its terms continually increase or decrease by a fixed number. I repeat, a sequence is said to be an arithmetic progression if its terms continually increase or decrease by a fixed number. Look at the example. The first one is the number 1, then the next number is 2, and the third one is 3. Then here each number differ by 1. And in the second case, 2 plus 2 gives 4, 4 plus 2 gives 6, and 6 plus 2 gives 8. And the third example, 3 is the first number and 6 is the second number. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 equal to 12. And a sequence is said to be an arithmetic progression if it is continually increase or decrease by a fixed number. That fixed number is known as common difference D. That fixed number is known as common difference D. Let A be the first term of an AP and D be the common difference. Let A be the first term of an AP and D be the common difference. We can write A1 is equal to A. That is the first term. And A2 means A plus D. And A3 means A plus D plus D. That is A plus 2D. And A4 means A plus 2D plus D. That is A plus 3D. Then how can you write A10? A10 means A plus 9D. Etc. etc. The nth term of an AP, AN is equal to, if it is 4, we write here A plus 3D. If it is A10, we write A plus 9D. If it is A20, we write A plus 19D, etc. AN is equal to A plus, that means the first term plus n minus 1 into D. The general term AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is the first topic here. Now, our aim is to find the nth term. For example, 2, 4, 6, etc. How can you check that this is an AP or not? For that, here A is equal to 2. How can you find D? D means second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. What is second term minus first term here? 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. And same way D can be found third term minus second term. Third term is 6 and second term is 4. Therefore 6 minus 4 is also 2. Therefore we can say that this 2, 4, 6, 8 etc. is an AP. My question is, what is A20? What is A20 means? Find the 20th term of the arithmetic progression. What's the formula A20? A20 means A plus 20 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 19D. A20 is A plus 19D. That is, what is your A? 2 plus 19 into 2. D is also 2 here. Therefore, 2 plus 19 into 2. Multiplication operation first. Therefore, 19 into 2 is 38. Therefore, A20 is 40. Understand? Now, another example. 5, 10, 15, etc. Find A50. Suppose the question is A50. How can you find A50? A is equal to 5. Here D is equal to, we can find D using the formula second term minus first term. That is 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? 5. Now A50 is equal to, directly say the answer, A50 is equal to A plus 49D. That means if it is 50, A plus 49D. Therefore, A means 5 plus 49 into, here also the difference is 5. 49 into 5. What is 49 into 5? 9 5s are 45. 245. Therefore, 5 plus 245 is equal to 250. This is the way to find A50 or A20 or A80 like that. Second type question is 363 is a term of 3, 6, 9 etc. The second type problem is this. Is 363 is a term of 3, 6, 9 etc. From this we know that A is equal to 3. Then D is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3. Next is, our aim is to select 363 is a term of this arithmetic progression. For that, we assume that AN is equal to 363. Therefore, what's the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is, in the place of AN, 363 equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into 3. Substitution only. 363 minus 3 is 360 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. Now this multiplication, converting in this side, 360 by 3 is 120 is equal to N minus 1. From that, N is equal to 1 minus 121. Therefore, we can say that this 363 is the 121th term of this arithmetic progression. Next topic is, or the next problem is, what term of 1, 5, 9 etc. is 101. 1, 5, 9 etc. is 101. Here also we apply the same method. What is A here? 1. What is D here? 5 minus 1, that is 4. And we assume that AN is equal to 101. Now applying the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 101 is equal to A means 1 plus N minus 1 into, here D is 4. 101 minus 1 is 100 is equal to N minus 1 into 4. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 100 by 4 is 25. Therefore, N is equal to 26, or 101 is the 26th term of the arithmetic progression. The next type is, if the second term of, find the second term if the sixth term is 12 and eighth term is 22. Question is, find the second term if the sixth term is 12. Find the second term. Second term means A2. If the sixth term is 12 and eighth term is 22. Very important type. A6 is 12 means, what's the formula? A6? A6 means A plus 5D is equal to 12. Understand? Now, eighth term, eighth term means A plus 7D is equal to 22. Now we get two equations. Put equation 1 and equation 2. From these two equations we know that the second equation is larger. Therefore, you can subtract second minus first or first minus second. Both are same. Then 72 minus 1. A minus A 0. 7D minus 5D 2D equal to 22 minus 12 is 10. Understand? Now, D is equal to 10 by 2. What is 10 by 2? 5. Now, we substitute that D equal to 5 in the first equation. A plus 5 into 5. 25 equal to 12. From that, A is equal to 12 minus 25. What is 12 minus 25? Minus 13. Understand? Our question is find A2. A2 means, what's the formula? A2, A plus 1D or A plus D. What is your A? Minus 13. And what is your D? D is 5. Minus 13 plus 5 means minus 8. Understand? Now, next question is, if the fifth term is 41 and 11th term is 20. Repeat. Fifth term is means A5 is equal to 21 and if the fifth term is 14 and 12th term is, fifth term is 14 and 12th term is 35. Fifth term is 12, 14 and 12th term is 35. Same method. What's the meaning? A5 means A plus 4D. That is equal to 14. Then A12 means A plus 11D is equal to 35. Now, same procedure. Equation 2 minus equation 1. 11D minus 4D. That is 7D is equal to 35 minus 14. Therefore, D is equal to 3. Now we substitute in the first equation a plus 4 into d, 4 into d, 4 into 3, 12 is equal to 14. From that a is equal to 14 minus 12, 2. Suppose your question is find the AP means. How can you form the AP here? If A is 2, and D is 3. How can you write the AP? 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, etc. Understand? Next topic is, if 3 terms A, B, C are in AP. If 3 terms A, B, C are in AP, then these are the 3 consecutive terms of an AP. Then we apply the formula. Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the extremes. Twice the middle term is equal to sum of the extremes. Very important formula. Question. If 7A, 17 are in AP. If 7A, 17 are in AP, find A. We know that these are the 3 consecutive terms of an AP. Therefore, we apply the formula here. 2 into A. Twice the middle term is equal to 7 plus 17. What is 7 plus 17? 24. 2A is equal to 24. A is equal to 12. 7 plus 12, 17. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. This is the way to find the unknown number. Next is, if 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times 11th term. Another question. 7 times 7th term is equal to 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times 11th term. Show that 18th term is 0. Show that A 18 equal to 0. 7 times 7th term means 7 into A plus 6D is equal to 11 into A plus 10D. Opening the bracket, 7A plus and 6R, 42D is equal to 11A plus 110D. Converting, 7A minus 11A is minus 4A is equal to 110 minus 42. 68. From that A is equal to minus 17. Our question is A18. What's the form? A18 is equal to A plus 17D. Isn't it? Therefore, what is your A? Minus 17 plus D means 17D. Therefore, 17 into 1. Therefore, that is equal to 0. 16D. Therefore, A is equal to minus 17D plus 17D is equal to 0. From that, minus 4A equal to 68D. From that, A is equal to minus 17D. Now we substitute here A plus 17D. A means minus 17D plus 17D